Welcome to Barcelona, a city rich in history, culture, and architectural marvels. Among its many treasures stands an unparalleled masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia. This iconic basilica, a testament to human creativity and devotion, is the magnum opus of the visionary architect Antoni Gaudí. The Sagrada Familia, or the Basilica and Expiatory Church of the Holy Family, began its construction in 1882. Originally designed by architect Francisco de Paula del Villar, the project was soon taken over by Antoni Gaudí, who transformed it with his unique vision. Gaudí, renowned for his innovative and nature-inspired designs, dedicated over 40 years of his life to this project. His distinctive style, characterized by organic forms, vibrant colors, and intricate details, is evident in every corner of the basilica. Gaudí famously said, "The straight line belongs to men, the curved one to God." This philosophy is reflected in the flowing, almost surreal lines of the Sagrada Familia. The interior of the Sagrada Familia is a breathtaking blend of light and color. The columns, resembling towering trees, create a forest-like atmosphere, drawing the eye upward toward the intricate ceiling. Gaudí designed the stained glass windows to bathe the interior in a symphony of colors, creating an ever-changing play of light throughout the day. The basilica's exterior is equally mesmerizing. The Nativity facade, completed during Gaudí's lifetime, is a celebration of the birth of Jesus, adorned with scenes of nature and religious symbolism. In contrast, the Passion facade, with its stark, angular forms, conveys the suffering and sacrifice of Christ. Despite Gaudí's passing in 1926, the Sagrada Familia remains unfinished. However, his detailed plans and models have guided generations of architects and craftsmen who continue to work on this monumental project. The goal is to complete the basilica by 2026, marking the centenary of Gaudí's death. The Sagrada Familia is more than just a building. It is a symbol of artistic genius, spiritual devotion, and the enduring human spirit. As it nears completion, it stands as a timeless testament to Antoni Gaudí's unparalleled vision and the beauty of what humanity can achieve. A masterpiece in the making, the Sagrada Familia continues to inspire awe and admiration from all who behold it. It is, without a doubt, a jewel in the crown of Barcelona, and a legacy that will endure for generations to come.